Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. I know that many people say that tofu is boring, so in this video we're going to disprove that. With that said, it's time to make some tofu patties. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can add any spices you'd like. I added some curry powder as well. Same amount as the salt and pepper. Start by crumbling the tofu. To that, add everything else. The onion, garlic, the parsley, mint, the tomato paste, flour, and the spices. Mix all that till combined well. Next, start forming the patties. Should get about 10 of them. Now, shallow fry those patties till golden brown. Just make sure not to overcrowd the pan. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. We're done! First time I'm making this, but definitely not the last. I recommend eating them with peanut sauce, but let me know in the comments below how you ate them, as is or with any sauce. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!